1,000 subscribers. Oh my god, that is actually mental. Seriously, thank you guys so much to all the subscribers out there. It really means a lot. I only started uploading videos about 14 months ago, and I genuinely feel like I'm still learning the ropes. I'm still trying to figure the whole thing out. So I have a lot of really cool content planned for the rest of this year and most of next year. I do have a number of lab series that I'm actually going to work on. One is coming very soon, so look out for that. You know what to do. There is other things that I have coming. So the next lab series will come with a Discord server, so I'm going to build that so then we can communicate together and run through the build, and hopefully I can answer some of the questions that, well, a lot faster than I've been able to at the moment. And the third thing is, it's getting cold here now in Ireland, so I'm going to get some merch. So I am finalizing the logos at the moment, and as soon as that is ready, I'll let you all know. But here is to the next milestone, which is 100,000 subscribers.